Assalamualaikum and good morning, madam. My name is Nuatira binti Amran, metric number 285919. Today I want to present my individual assignment is problem solving. Firstly, I want to talk about 1.0 proposal prefix. 1.1 is Malaysia 2000 economic performance. Have a three things. Firstly, gross domestic productivity (GDP), B. Unemployment rates, and C. Inflation rate. 1.2 is background of the problems. Have a tourist arrival and visit to Malaysia by years, and have Malaysia tourist revenue. Next is 1.3 is important of issue. Have a 3. A is main income source of Malaysia. B. Provide more and more job opportunities. C is facilitate the preservation of the environment. Next is 2.0 background of the industry. Malaysia is full of natural resources which are ideal for susceptible tourists. The tourist industry is economics, but viability ensures its long-term vitality. The Malaysian government is paying increased emphasis to the development of susceptible tourists as a source of revenue. Next is 3.0 targeted population. Beside the figure 1 shows the number of tourists that travel to Malaysia from the year 2000 to the year 2020. Although there was some slight decrease in the number of tourists in 2003 until 2019, it did not bring much impact to the industry. For our proposed project, we plan to increase the number of tourists to 28 million by the year 2022 and increase the GNP to 8%. We would also like to increase the income per tourist to 800 in 2022. For our project proposal, we aim to reach the total number of 4 million visitors to Pulau Langkawi by the year of 2022 by focusing on Pulau Langkawi at airports, hotel and restaurant service. Then is my objective. The proposal is applying advanced technology like AI robot is to keep physical and social distance during the COVID-19 pandemic. For instance, preparing AI robot as a protective measure of convenience in delivering catering service to the tourists, preventing direct interacts. Furthermore, the innovation of public service is designed to attract tourists by using robotic technology. Besides attracting the tourists, AI robot must also be capable of delivering tourists with fixed track to ride and attraction like the luxury resort cottage they add to the tourist is comfort. Next is 5.0 implementation of the strategy. Our proposed project is to encourage usage of advanced technology stories like robotics, automation, artificial intelligence to prevent physical interaction with the tourists to avoid another outbreak of COVID-19. Also, this action will make tourists feel safe to travel to Malaysia during a pandemic. It shows that the robot can attract tourists come to Malaysia after knowing the product is safe. Next is 6.0 Ministry involvements. Our choice is Ministry of Tourism, Art and Culture. It's responsible for strengthening the relationship between the tourist sector and culture sector. According to this ministry, the aim is established to promote Malaysia as a world is preferred tourist destination based on the slogan Malaysia Truly Asia. Next is 7.0 Ministry outcome. They aim to achieve the opening awarded by the government provide space for foreign tourists of visit area in Malaysia, especially in Pulau Langkawi. Using AI robotic can help build confidence in domestic and international tourists about the level of cleanliness and safety when traveling in Langkawi. It is because the function provided by the each AI robot such as scanning the temperature and message data QR code for check in an airport, hotel or restaurant can reduce physical contacts, reduce the rate of spread of COVID-19 among the tourists. Next is 8.0 suggested budgets. A project budget is quantified statement of plan for completing the proposed project over each phase. In this process, project will provide calculation of the total expected budget to revise and reorganizing the tourist industry. Our focus is to prepare AI robot as protective measure in the tourist industry. Lastly is expected outcome. Beside the chart, data for actual expenditure and allocation for management and development, the government may in empowering the tourist industry. We expect that the Malaysian economy will record growth in GDP per annum, which will help the economy recover. This is because the tourist industry has a great impact on our economy, which has become a leading economic sector every year. That's all from me. Thank you.